He said, if I miss the first 2 units of the Isha prayer, how do I make up the remaining units with regards to the reading, the qada, making up the missed rakahs in a congregational prayer? According to the sound hadith, which is collected by Imam al-Bukhari, in a part of it, this segment reads as, فَمَا أَدْرَكْتُمْ فَصَلُّوا وَمَا فَاتَكُمْ فَأَتِمُّوا. This is the sound collection of Imam al-Bukhari, which means whenever you guys come to the prayer, do not rush. Whatever you catch with the Imam, join him in. If you catch him while he is standing, or ruku, or in sujood, do not wait. Join the jama'ah. And وَمَا فَاتَكُمْ فَأَتِمُّوا. Then after the Imam makes taslim and finishes his salah, whatever you missed, فَأَتِمُّوا literally means complete it. The word فَقْدُ means make it up. So when I say complete it, it means when I started my prayer with the Imam, that was my very first rak'ah, regardless whether it was the first or the second or the third for the Imam. It is my very first rak'ah. So I get to read the surah after Al-Fatiha, even if the Imam was silent, because it's my first rak'ah, despite the fact that it is the Imam's third or fourth rak'ah. Accordingly, after the Imam finishes, I'm just completing my prayer, I'm not making up. This is the more right view in this regard of 2 very common opinions. Wallahu ta'ala a'la.